Alright guys, I am currently in North Carolina on vacation. I don't know how well you can see me right now, but I got my rod. I got a little rooster tail on here, and I'm about to take the paddle board. I got the paddle board right here. The paddle is up under it, and I'm going to take the paddle board down here and out here on this water. I don't know if you can see how clear it is on camera, but it's really clear out here today. So maybe I'll catch some trout or some bass. So let's try. Well, oh, let's go, dude. Let's go, bro. He's tiny. Alright. Look, guys. This guy's tiny. I think that's a rock bass. Let's get a good release on him. So, I guess I got the right bait. All we'll do is a tree branch touching my foot. It's like tickling my foot, bro. Oh, that was a money cast. I can't tell if I'm getting hit or if I'm just hitting like tree limbs and stuff, cause I didn't even know I was getting bit, dude, just then. But he was like, it was like over and over and over again, like really fast. I was like, that might be a fish, and it was. I didn't even realize I had one at first. It was so small. Another. Bro, is that the same one? Oh, it's a trout. It's a trout. It's a trout. Oh my gosh, bro. I just got a freaking trout, bro. No way. No way, dude. Is that a trout? Guys, what is this? Is this a trout? I think this is a trout. I don't think, can he spike me? Oh no, he came off. Guys, what was it? Oh, I just got hit, dude. Where did he go? Wait, did I just see him? Bro, if that was a fish, bro, that was the smallest fish ever. Oh, that was. Here, let's see. Got him. Got him, another bass. Another bass, dude. Dude, I found a spot, bro. These things are tiny. But, I mean, I'm catching fish, dude. There you go. Fish number 3. He was squirming. He was a little feisty fella. Yo, is that a golf ball? Hold up. It's a golf ball, dude. Should I get it? I'm out of here. Mama's probably worried about me. She'll probably get back. Anyways. Hi.
How
Hey,
are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. Your mom and your sister's looking for you.
Oh.
I'm kind of worried.
Oh, really? Where are they?
I don't know. We just drove down to your rental house. So I got Emily with me, but
Oh, are you Emily's dad?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They said you didn't take your phone with you.
I didn't want to drop it in. Is Emily with you?
Yeah, she's with me.
Can you tell her to text my sister and let her know that I'm about to head back?
Yeah, I'll do that.
All
I
right.
told them not to worry that you'd be close, but
Yeah.
do you have any hits?
I've caught about 3 or 4.
Oh, have you?
Yes, sir.
Rainbows? Brown?
Mostly rock bass.
Oh,
I think one of them was a trout though.
Oh, okay.
I've actually never caught trout before, so this is
yeah.
my first time fishing for them.
Nice. Good to see you.
It's good to see you.
All right.
Well, thanks for checking on me.
Have fun.
Thank you. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave some comments if you will, and let me know how you like this video. If you guys are interested on what happened here at the end of the video, just let me know if you want me to, and I'll make a little story time video and, you know, let you guys know the full story of what happened. If you guys really like this video, share it with some friends and some family. Thank you to anybody who watched here to the end. If you watched to the end, comment down below pancake. Alright, well, hope y'all have a good day. Remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.